Àwọn ọmọ Oduduwa ò jíire bí ajíire ajíire ajíire. Àwọn ọmọ Ifẹ̀ ò dáyé níbi ojúmọ́ tí mo wá ajíire. Hi everyone, ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Ẹ káàárọ̀ means good morning in Yoruba language. I'm Yoruba from Nigeria. My name is Anu Oluwapo Adewumi Adetomiwa. I specialize in Yoruba language and culture. Yoruba language is a tonal language spoken in southwestern Nigeria and across West Africa. Aside that, it's also spoken in the diaspora in countries like Cuba, United Kingdom, United States of America, and Brazil, where it has been adopted as an official language. One of the features of Yoruba speakers is greeting. Yes, we greet a lot. It's a culture. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ kú ìdájí, ẹ kú ìyálẹ̀ta, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ kú ìjókòó, ẹ kú ìdúró, ẹ káàárọ̀, ó dàbọ̀, ó dàárọ̀. If you want to know all these things in Yoruba and some other things, book a lesson with me today, and I'm sure at the end of that lesson you'll find out that Yoruba language is super interesting. Ó dàbọ̀.